Hey everyone, we all know exercise is good for us. It makes us stronger, it helps us lose weight. But did you know it does so much more than that? It's like a magic potion for our minds and bodies. When we move our bodies, we release endorphins. Endorphins make us feel happy. They chase away stress and anxiety. Regular exercise can also help you sleep better. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized. Exercise also helps protect us from diseases. We're talking about serious stuff like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some types of cancer. By staying active, we're giving our bodies the best fighting chance. So, getting fit isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling fantastic inside and out. It's about having more energy to play with your kids, dance at a party, or climb that mountain you've always dreamed of. One of the biggest mistakes people make is trying to copy someone else's fitness routine. Listen up, your fitness journey is unique to you. What works for your best friend might not work for you, and that's perfectly okay. The key is to find activities you genuinely enjoy. Do you love dancing? Great! Find a dance class or put on some music and move around your living room. Are you a nature lover? Awesome! Go for a hike or a bike ride in the park. Remember, consistency is key. Choose activities that you can stick with in the long run. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things until you find what you love. Before you jump into a new workout routine, let's talk about goals. Setting realistic goals is crucial for staying motivated. Don't aim to run a marathon in a week if you've never run before. Start small and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Instead of saying, "I want to get in shape," set specific goals like, "I want to be able to run for 30 minutes without stopping," or "I want to lift 20 pounds. These specific goals give you something measurable to work towards. Write down your goals and track your progress. Seeing how far you've come can be incredibly motivating. And don't forget to celebrate your achievements along the way. We're all busy, we have jobs, families, and social lives. But here's the secret. You don't need hours to spare to squeeze in a good workout. Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a difference. The key is to schedule your workouts like any other important appointment. Block off time in your calendar and stick to it. Think of it as a non-negotiable meeting with your health. You can also break up your workouts throughout the day. Try a 10-minute walk during your lunch break and another 10 minutes of bodyweight exercises in the evening. Every little bit counts. Section 5. Finding your fitness mix. Now for the fun part, choosing your exercises. A well-rounded fitness routine includes 3 main components: cardio, strength training, and flexibility. Cardio gets your heart pumping and helps you burn calories. Think running, swimming, biking, or dancing. Strength training builds muscle and boosts your metabolism. You can use weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight. Flexibility is important for preventing injuries and improving your range of motion. Yoga, Pilates, and simple stretching exercises are all great options. The best fitness routine is one that incorporates all 3 elements. Experiment and find a mix that you enjoy and that fits your lifestyle. Section 6. A week of healthy habits. Need some inspiration? Here's a sample weekly fitness routine that you can adjust based on your preferences and fitness level. Monday, 30 minutes of brisk walking or jogging, followed by 10 minutes of stretching. Tuesday, strength training workout targeting different muscle groups: legs, arms, core, back. Wednesday, rest day or active recovery, like yoga, gentle swimming, or light walking. Thursday, repeat Monday's workout. Friday, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT workout for 20 minutes. Saturday, long walk or hike outdoors. Sunday, rest day or light activity like yoga or stretching. Remember, this is just a template. Listen to your body and adjust the intensity and duration of your workouts as needed. Section 7. Staying pumped for progress. Staying motivated is crucial for long-term success. One of the best ways to stay on track is to find a workout buddy. Having someone to exercise with can make it more fun and hold you accountable. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements no matter how small they may seem. Did you run for an extra 5 minutes without stopping? That's amazing. Celebrate that victory. Reward yourself with non-food treats like a new workout outfit, a massage, or a movie night. Remember, you're making positive changes for your health and well-being. Be proud of yourself. Section 8. Fueling your fitness journey. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. What you eat plays a vital role in your fitness journey. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water helps regulate body temperature, lubricates joints, and transports nutrients throughout your body. Avoid sugary drinks, processed foods, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. These foods can sabotage your fitness goals and leave you feeling sluggish. Section 9. Rest up and recharge. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise itself. When you work out, you're actually creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Rest allows your muscles to repair and rebuild, making them stronger. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Sleep is essential for muscle recovery, hormone regulation, and overall well-being. Don't forget to schedule rest days into your weekly routine. Rest days don't have to mean lying on the couch all day. You can do light activities like yoga, stretching, or going for a leisurely walk. Section 10. Consistency is key. There will be days when you don't feel like exercising. That's okay. We all have those days. The important thing is to get back on track as soon as possible. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to be consistent with your efforts. Even on the days when you don't feel like it, do something, even if it's just a 10-minute walk. Be patient with yourself. Results take time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Focus on the positive changes you're making to your health and well-being. Section 11. Embrace the journey. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards a healthier, happier you. Remember, finding a fitness routine that works is all about discovering what you enjoy and what fits your lifestyle. Embrace the journey, celebrate your victories, and never give up on yourself. You've got this.